Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. I am so excited for today, guys. We're finally doing some cash stuffing. Let's go ahead and count how much money I have. I will say, guys, I don't have a lot of money, and that's because work has been slow. You know, it's been spring break here where I live, and everybody has left to go do activities or whatever they're doing, but it is extremely slow, but hopefully it picks up soon. But I have 10, 20, 30, so $30, 40, 55, oh my goodness, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Oh my goodness, $69, you guys. Bless my heart. All right, so $69, guys, to play with, not play with, but to cash stuff today. Don't mind the lawnmower, the neighbors cutting the grass, because it is just so beautiful today, you guys. I wish I was off. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But let's go ahead and first off do our happy mail from our Pen PalGroup. This is our Pen PalGroup from what I am a part of. And this is from the Cafecito budget, if I'm not mistaken. My goodness. Oh, look at that. Is that a sticker? Okay, here we go, guys. I kind of saw a sneak peek from what is it called? From Eileen. So, yeah. Okay, let's see. So, we got this Dior. I don't know. I've never really been into this brand, Dior. First of all, I can't even say it and pronounce it. But this little like packaging, it is cute, but never been a fan of it, of that brand, Dior. I don't know. But your girl is into the spooky badge already, you guys. So the Cafecito budget, it says bish, don't kill my vibe. So each heart, you make it however you want. Oh my gosh, Dubai chocolate, you guys, save 30. I love this. I bought one on TikTok, and oh my gosh, it was so good. It was expensive, but it was so good. Matcha lover. Oh my gosh, I've tried matcha, you guys. It's not for me. It looks delicious, just like wine. Everybody drinks it like it's just a wine on a bottle. Like it's just as fine as a wine on a bottle. Does that make sense? Like everybody drinks it like it's the best of the best. Oh my gosh, I tried it. I'm sorry, not for me. Not for me either. Oh my gosh, each lucky charm, it can be whatever you want it to be. This is so freaking cute. Okay, I love this. I remember I used to eat just the marshmallows. movie date night or anything movie night. That is cute. I love this. Keep growing. Oh my gosh, you spoiled us. OMG, look at those. So for the books, 24, and then the little goes with the book, it is a mystery, like a roll and save. Girl, you killed it. You killed it, girlfriend. I love it. It's so freaking cute. Okay, and then this one is from Cassie. I am Cassie blog on YouTube, if I'm not mistaken. But it's Cassandra. Okay, let's see what she sent. I love the packaging. It is so cute. The little bag. It's adorable. All right, here we go. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. Look at this. Disappear and come back in 6 months and watch who you have built yourself to become. Wow, you're so cute. You're like, she creates like very motivative challenges. Like, you're so creative. And then you have the luxury of owing yourself, is that is your money either way, like an IOU. Another one of an IOU, like little like self-check. I love the theme though. Like, I love the roses in the background. Very spring. That is so cute. And I don't need a cash withdrawal because I do the ATM. If you haven't noticed, or if you didn't watch any of the video, like a few videos back, you guys, I don't go inside the bank. I actually go to the ATM, and I've been going to the ATM for almost 2 years already. So I actually don't need those. So I will be sending them off on any packages or any freebie giveaways, okay? Because I just don't need it, you guys. Okay, I wish I do, but I don't. I feel embarrassed going inside. I don't know. All right, unless I need to, of course. So we got dreams, strength, butterfly kisses. And what is this? Track your budget and watch it grow. Oh, nice. Those are so nice. Thank you. Okay, you guys, she is on it. Like, she is tracking it, you name it. Okay, those are so cute. Okay, let me take a cute thumbnail picture, shall we? Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Okay, I love the butterfly. Like, the color and everything just goes so well, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, does this go good? Okay, let's see. Let's take a thumbnail. Ready? Is this gonna look good? I don't know. We will see. 1, 2. Ooh, I got little pelito. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. All right, thank you so much. Awesome sauce. All right, guys, I'll be honest with you guys. This is my last time doing the Pen PalGroup. I haven't told them yet, but I will be telling them this morning. But it will be my last one, because I just feel like every time I'm doing the saving challenges, I'm always rushing, and I don't want to do that. So I just rather just not do it anymore. I mean, it was fun. I love it. But it will be my last time you guys be seeing Happy Meal from the Pen PalGroup. Sorry. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get into our rent/bill binder. We have Alabama Power. We're going to go ahead and add a 5 on this one. So we're going to stretch our money as much as we can. Good thing is that it's only the 3rd. So I still got quite some time to complete some of those envelopes. But Eric's bed is going to get a 5 as well. But I'll be honest with you guys, it does scare me that actually this year's just in general has been slow than any other year. I mean, I understand it's the economy and everything. We're gonna add a 5 on this one too, but man, it's so scary, you guys. But we will see how it goes. All right, insurance is going to get I guess let's add a 5 too. Why not? Let's add a 5 as well. So we're gonna add a 5 to that one. Okay, and then internet, we also gonna add a 5, but in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, a 5 in ones. I will probably condense that later. And then rent, you guys, is gonna get a 10. Okay, rent is gonna get a 10. Rent has now $25. Not too bad. I mean, we need 100. I mean, no, we need 500, but hey, it is okay. All right, so there's that. Okay, now we're gonna do our bigger challenges, and let's see how it goes, you guys. A little bit scared, but we will see. I will say though, I will complete one, not complete, but I will stuff one envelope, which is gonna be Alex. I actually, well, it's all the way at the end, so I can't do that. I actually went ahead and returned something at TJ Maxx, so I got in-store credit, merchandise credit, because I didn't have the receipt. So I actually found like this fragrance that Alex been eyeing since last year, and I actually bought it. And so after what I ever had as credit on the card, I paid the difference, which was like $35 and some change. So I actually need $36, and he has here 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we're gonna add a 5 and a 1, so 36. So hey, I'm gonna take this money out and pay myself back for that. So I got Father's Day gift already, so that's exciting. I will add a little bit more money to it though, so I can give him like maybe $50 or something, and then that fragrance that he had been eyeing. So there's that. All right, Mother's Day, we're gonna do Mother's Day, guys. So Mother's Day, we're gonna do an 8. Okay, let's do the 8, and we're gonna withdraw $2 from the envelope because we only have the 10. So let's redraw that. So we're gonna add a 10 and take away a 2. Okay, there is that. So we will save 100 on this one too. I feel like I'm gonna do the same thing. Buy a fragrance for my mom. I always do that, and then maybe give her like $50 or something. Of course, it is more than $100, but still something adds up a little bit. Okay, guys, let me just do my birthday. Let me do my birthday. Because I only need, okay, I only need 13. So I'm gonna do that. Why not? So there we go. Look at that. So 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, and we are done with this one. Oh my goodness. Yay. That's exciting. All right, we should have 120. So let's see. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, 21. Okay, hold on. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we got $1 extra. Okay, why not? So yay, we're done with this one. I'm so excited. Makes me happy. And okay, I don't know if I should do this one again or not. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I'll be honest with you, I don't know. I'm just gonna take it away. I don't need to treat myself like that, to be honest with you. Whatever rolls the boat, I'm gonna do. Okay, so we're done with that. I will be putting that money to use because I did treat myself, and you guys are gonna see that Saturday. All right, anyways, we got Dylan. Dylan's gonna get $2. Okay, Dylan's gonna get $2. And Eric is gonna get $2. Okay, there is that. Awesome sauce. And let's see how much we have left. We got $4. So let's go to the Hello Kitty. Let's see, right here, this Hello Kitty. Oh wow, that worked out perfectly, you guys. I was not expecting that. Like, I pre-record sometimes now lately because that's all I can do, but I never plan what I'm gonna do. So I love when stuff just works out. Love it. Okay, so $4 going in here. This one will save me $80. So yeah, awesome. Yay. All right, well, there you have it, you guys. That is my cash stuffing Thursday, and I see you guys tomorrow for Freebie Friday. I'm so excited. Hopefully we get something done tomorrow. And yeah, you guys, don't forget, next month, I don't know yet when though, but next month, hopefully the end of next month, start saving for your binders. I will have this periwinkle color, like blue. I will have this beautiful purple, shade of purple, and I will have 2 other colors that are neutral colors that I know you guys are gonna fall in love with the color, because for all my neutral babes, if you love neutral, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So start saving on those. They will be $38. Okay, they're Pebble. I love them, obsessed. I have been using them for 2 years already, and I have launched a few colors. Those were some of them, but yes. Alrighty guys, well, there you have it. That's everything I got for you today. I'm so excited for everything. I'll see you guys back again tomorrow. Bye. Thank you.